Welcome back to our Affiliate Marketing Insights series. In today's episode, we'll be discussing a crucial aspect of any successful affiliate marketer's toolkit: email marketing. Specifically, we'll be highlighting 5 essential email marketing facts that every affiliate marketer should know to maximize their success. So, grab your pen and paper, and let's dive in. Fact number 1. Building a targeted email list is key. As an affiliate marketer, you want to focus on quality rather than quantity when it comes to your email list. Don't be tempted to buy email lists or engage in unethical practices. Instead, concentrate on creating a list of subscribers who have willingly opted in to receive your content. This way, you'll have a higher chance of reaching an audience genuinely interested in your affiliate offers. Fact number 2. Personalization is crucial for engagement. Gone are the days of generic mass emails. Today, personalization is vital to grab your audience's attention. Use email marketing tools to segment your list based on interests, demographics, or previous interactions. Craft personalized messages that resonate with your subscribers, addressing them by name and tailoring your content to their specific needs and preferences. The more relevant your emails are, the higher your chances of conversion. Fact number 3. Quality content drives engagement. Your subscribers are bombarded with emails daily, so it's essential to provide them with valuable and engaging content. Focus on creating informative, entertaining, or educational emails that offer something unique to your audience. Share actionable tips, industry insights, or exclusive offers. By consistently delivering high-quality content, you'll establish trust and keep your subscribers eagerly anticipating your emails. Fact number 4. Mobile optimization is non-negotiable. In today's mobile-centric world, it's crucial to optimize your emails for mobile devices. Ensure your email templates are responsive and visually appealing across different screen sizes. Pay attention to your subject lines, as they should be concise yet attention-grabbing. Remember, many subscribers check their emails on the go, so make it easy for them to read, navigate, and engage with your content on their smartphones or tablets. Fact number 5. Test, analyze, and refine your strategies. Effective email marketing requires continuous improvement. Regularly test different elements, such as subject lines, CTAs, email layouts, and sending times. Analyze the data to identify what works best for your audience and adjust your strategies accordingly. Keep an eye on your email open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to measure the success of your campaigns. With time and data-driven insights, you'll optimize your email marketing efforts for maximum impact. And there you have it, the 5 email marketing facts every affiliate marketer must know to be successful. Remember, building a targeted email list, personalizing your content, delivering quality, optimizing for mobile, and continuously refining your strategies are the key ingredients to thriving in the world of affiliate marketing. So, go ahead, put these facts into action, and take your email marketing game to the next level. Start building your email list and making commissions in 3 simple steps. Discover the 3-step system that guarantees your first leads and commissions in the next 24 hours. Join our free training. Link in the description. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on affiliate marketing. Until next time, happy marketing.